gems, come along as I take you to Gratzi to see what's new on the menu and for this beautiful drive. So be sure to hit the like, to subscribe, turn on your notifications, and enjoy the vlog. Hey everybody, this is Life with Marlene. I live in the beautiful state of Florida, and I show in driving videos with Florida ambiance that I am your Florida vlogger. I also share my love of thrifting and fashion, and I also take you along with me to the beaches. Welcome to this vlog. Gratzi is located at 211 2nd Street South, St. Petersburg, Florida. Can you open it? The Parmesan cheese? Fresh bread. Okay. I'm at Gratzi. I just ordered my food, and you'll see when the food comes. Okay, my food has arrived, so I want to show you my food. Every single time I'm going to choose pork ossobuco. It is so tender. The marinade, it's delicious, well seasoned. Us just, mwah. Yes, yes, and yes to pork ossobuco. And my niece got cedar plank salmon with a risotto pesto, and she loved it so much. So it really depends on what you want to eat at this Italian grill, but these are our favorite two things. Hey guys, so we're done with that adventure and we're heading over to go for a walk. It's almost sunset time. Come along. channel member shout out, always that girl, Love Baby, Leticia's Third Eye Point of View, Dave's Adventures, Boss Life Online, First Lady 01, Angela Sanchez, Z Unpacking Life, Tasha T, Nate the Great Podcast 2.0. If you want to be featured, join my channel membership. It starts at 99 cents. Just Call Me Sammy 33, Global Empire ENT Media, Cruise Life 22, Tracy Positive Corner, Oliver's Vlog TV Mix, Kicking It with the Rooks. The Gem's motivation is don't hold yourself back. Remember, you have to get in the driver's seat of your life. But first, it starts with the things that you tell yourself. It's all about positive self-talk. Don't hold yourself back. You can do it. And you have to tell yourself that not only can I do it, but I'm going to put a plan in place. I'm going to take positive action. And when situations happen, I'm not going to get down and lay down. I'm going to get up. I'm going to fight as many times as I need to. And I will reset because I believe in myself and I am confident. So get out of your own head and win.
Let me show you fun. Let me show you how to have fun in the sun. Life with Marlene.